Good morning, Falcons. This is Mrs. B, and I'm here with a book called Grumpy Bird. This book is by Jeremy Tankard, but because there isn't another name on the cover, we know not only is he the author, but he's the illustrator. And I'm going to show you the back cover, and it says, "Here's a cure-all for a bad mood. After all, don't you ever feel grumpy?" So I thought this would be a fun book to read. There are different reasons we read books, and sometimes it's just for fun and to think about the message that the author is trying to share with us. So, without further ado, I'm going to go to the title page right here, and you see Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. When I turn the page, we actually get to start. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy, which means he wasn't in a very good mood. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. "Looks like I'm walking today," said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. "Good morning, Bird," said Sheep. "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's no fun." You want to look at their facial expressions. We know who's the grumpy one in the group. "I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too." Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon, "what are you doing?" "I'm walking," snapped Bird. "What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" Do you think Bird's going to answer in a nice tone of voice? Let's see. "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking?" guessed Beaver. "I love walking." Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." So not only does Grumpy Bird have a grumpy face, he has a grumpy tone of voice. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. What do you all think the other animals are going to do? And it tells us The other animals stood on one leg. That seems kind of fun. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. So would any of you all like to have some of that snack? Now I want to show you something that's a little different. I see this occasionally. Do you see right down here? I've talked to you all about the dedication pages before. And this says, for Hermione, or Hermione, I'm never quite sure with some names, who's never too grumpy to fly. So the dedication page in this book is the very last page. So that's something a little different. So again, McDermott Falcons, I chose this book because I know that sometimes some of you are going to wake up grumpy. You may wake up thinking that you really wish you could go back to school, which at some point we all will. And to remind you that your teachers and admin or administration, which is Mrs. Trevino, Mr. Bess, and Miss Maskell, the office staff, all of the people that work in the cafeteria, that serve you breakfast and lunch, that there are times we're feeling grumpy because we miss seeing your happy, smiling faces. And so just know that we continue to think about you, and we hope that you're enjoying the books that different people are sharing. Have a great non-grumpy day.